Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Suzuki Burgman 650 executive luxury scooter, twin cylinder 650. This thing is great for touring, two-up riding, commuting, automatic transmission, electric start, nice power. It's got a power windscreen and power mirrors. Come on by. These things are hard to find. Make your Burgman 650 dreams come true for just $59.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Check out the mirrors and the windscreen. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.